We are at Mountain Creek, and we are giving
bruh, 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 bruh.
Guys, I gotta be. I'm the slowest rider here. You saved the winning for the rest of us, dude. Oh, I'm sure. I roll faster than all of you. Nobody expects Spanish?
Where are we going? Alpine?
Alpine.
All right. Oh,
Let me holler at you.
yeah. Go in front. I hate Alpine. I hate Alpine. I hate Alpine.
Bruh.
Two ordinary Krabby Patties, but when expertly tossed with the skill of a champ, they become...
Yeah.
Ticket to pain!
So this is the next lap after that fall, and Andre is absolutely shredding in front of me here, and I'm just shook. It was a hard fall for no reason, and especially this season where I really can't get hurt seriously. I mean, you're always going to have the possibility of falling in mountain biking, especially downhill mountain biking, and I'm no stranger to taking risk. It's part of why I do this, is because the joy of overcoming the risk is addicting, right? But taking a slam and being in pain, and especially a slam that happened just because a rock grabbed your rear wheel and kicked it out. There's really nothing you could do about that. I was in a mood. I'm susceptible to that. Even me, I think I'm a pretty positive person. Sometimes when things are outside of my control and I get hurt or something negative happens, I just get in my head. And you can't be in your head in downhill mountain bike. You can't be focusing on anything but pointing that wheel downhill or whatever feature you're hitting. I mean, it's the reason why I think I love this sport so much, is because being able to succeed, to be able to succeed, you have to be able to remove everything else, right? So finally the voices inside of your head quiet, and it's just you and your bike and the mountain. But after slamming, dude, my confidence was shook, and you could see it. I'm trying, and I just can't keep pace. And it's like it builds in like a cycle. It's like you fall and you hurt yourself. Okay, man, that sucks. I'm in pain, and you start going, and it's like, why am I not pushing? Why am I not as fast as I was? I drove all the way up here. I waited for the lift to freaking work. I'm with my friends. I don't want to be the slow one. Like, is this too much for me? Am I not willing to take these risks anymore? Is something wrong with me? Right? It always comes back to that. It's like, is there something wrong? Am I doing the wrong thing? And it takes a while, man. Sometimes it takes the entire day to reset yourself and to realign your brain with why you showed up in the first place. So this lap was hard. This lap kind of broke me a little bit. And when I got to the bottom, I was just like really done with it. I was done with everything. And that sucks. It sucks to go do your favorite thing and be done with it. Especially when you don't have a lot of time to do your favorite thing. So it's hard. And if you have days like this, don't think that you're alone. It happens to everyone, literally. The hard part is getting out of it, but the great news is that you could, and you can.
Just not feeling it anymore.
In previous videos, I've talked about having off days, and one of the ways that I can get out of my head is to do something, do a lap that I've just drilled over and over again, and just like find a way that my brain is forced to shut off. So Upper Dominion definitely is something that I've been focusing on dialing in, and I think I finally have gotten good laps on it. So taking a second and just breaking away from the group and just going to Upper and just sending it, like really committing, definitely was like the first step in this day to help me get back to normal. And after this lap, my mood picked up where I was feeling better about myself. And I hit the pit, and I mean, like, the pit is so much fun when you grease it. So I was just feeling so much better after Upper Dominion. We did a salvation lap.
Perfect.
I did the pit, and then I just said screw it, and I did Phantom. I mean, Phantom's not that crazy, but I mean, like, it's one of those commitment features. So just flying off of it, I felt like we're back.
We are so back. Ended, Phantom. We're back. Hell yeah! Woo! Hell yeah!
Now it's
Hell
time
yeah!
to bring it
Woo!
around town.
Oh!
Bring it around
Oh
town.
my God!
Then you do
Oh! Woo! Boom! Shaka laka!